I'm just ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down, she know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money, yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. These designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750, we talk Pacifics. That Rose Gold compliment.
We back today. We about to do a quick video. Should I say quick? Sometimes it be freaking 20 minutes, 25 minutes. But we gonna get these bulbs put in a Jaguar F-type, because I got these 194s LED white LED bulbs. They're supposed to be real bright, way brighter. I'm gonna put them in the what you call that, where your feet go down the bottom, and the little courtesy lights that's when you open the door. Down there on the floor mat, see them little orange looking lights down there. You can actually see them down there. The little orange looking little lights. I know y'all see the wire from my LED glow kit, but I'm gonna change those bulbs out. They wedge style bulbs, so basically all you gotta do is pull them out and push them in, and I'm gonna see the outcome of them. I'm also see what else I got on here that take these wedge style bulbs, because these like a universal socket, so they fit a lot of those little I forgot, I used to know all of the name of all the bulbs, but like 191s and 161s or something like that. All this is kind of like a universal style, so let me go ahead and start this thing up, pull this thing out. This in position, get a good shot for y'all. Oh, it's hot. All right, let's look at the bulb. See what the bulb is. This bulb, when I saw it the first time, it's hot as hell right now. On the bulb it says I don't know if this is 0S or a DS. 12 volt. Then there's a little small W. Then it says E1. I guess like it's an E1 bulb type, because the E1 is like circled. 26L. Then the bottom line says W5W3N2. So that's the first thing I searched when I saw the E5 bulbs, and references for these came up. So and I saw they were wedge style bulbs, so I knew they should be pretty close to working, because that's the same socket. Yup. See, these are spring loaded, kind of like spring loaded wedge style, like an older style bulb. These are the newer ones. So this wedge is not spring loaded, you just slide it right in there. So I'm gonna slide this one right in, and we're gonna see how it comes out. I don't got no light down here now, so we're just gonna have to kind of feel our way around and see where we at. Push it up in there. There you go. There you go. There you go. There we go. Oh yes indeed. Now you can see it's daytime too, so you can see the difference that clear bulb made in the floor panel. You see this side, and then you see the other side over there with the regular light on. That's like day and night, man. So this is the old bulb, and then we come over here to this side, and this the new bulb. Day and night difference, man. Way brighter bulb. Way brighter bulb. So now I'm about to go ahead and do the other side. Alright, the way this passenger side bulb is, it's kind of right behind the glove compartment. So I gotta get on my back a little more to get it, because I had to get behind it to get the bulb out. So dang. There we go. Oh. See, the thing that makes them kind of hard to go in. Oh, look at that. Day and night. Now this side way brighter too. Way brighter. Them orange bulbs are gone. Man, look at that. Now I ain't matched the bright color bulbs up top and up there. You know, I wonder if they got any more bulbs I could change out. I know one thing though, I'm gonna add some more LEDs in the car, like down low. I'm not sure where yet, but I want a little more internal illumination. But anyway, there you go. These bulbs I picked, they because they're not rounded, because they don't have that, they have that straight board. See how this is? It's more of a tapered on the base. It makes them easier to slide in. These bulbs are flat and like with more straighter edges, so you gotta align it almost directly to get it straight up in that slot. So anyway, it's not hard still. This video, I don't know how long I've been going. Probably been out here with maybe 10 minutes tops between the time I started the whole video of pulling the car out, but I mean, that's really it. I'm sweating because it's hot as hell out here in Louisiana, and it's summer heat, but I mean, that's it. I ain't gonna waste no more of y'all time. Look, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned in, turn notifications on. You know what it is, man. Already. Deuces.